everybody. So yeah, I'm live and it's nice and windy. I'm sitting on my terrace. How are you? How is everybody there? आज मैंने बैक किया है तो डेडलिफ्ट जो सबसे मेरी फेवरेट एक्सरसाइज है वो मैंने आज अपने घर में जो बैग्स होते हैं जैसे दाल चावल के जो बैग्स हैं वो गेहूं के जो बैग्स है वो डाल के मैंने डेडलिफ्ट किया है. So everybody is staying home, everybody is taking care. I'm sure they are. So as we see, our country is doing very, very good. Thank you. Or we are coping up, all of us. That's great news. Because जैसे 40 करोड़ जो हमारा पॉपुलेशन है उसको कंट्रोल करने में भी तो टाइम लगता है. तो आई एम श्योर लोगों को समझ में आ गया है. लोग अभी घर पर हैं, लोग कंट्रोल में है. हाय अमन, हाउ आर यू? हाय देवल. हाँ, नो 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 नो, आई एम नॉट अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ पब्लिक कर्फ्यू. इट्स जस्ट आई वांट एवरीबडी, I want all the things to be normal like all of us, and I want things to be operational soon. Thank you. CID, हम लोग will be shooting for CIF once. So we were planning to shoot soon, but then there was a lot of work going on the screenplay and episodes. पर ये हो गया फिर. But I'm sure ये जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा and we'll start working on CID. CID co-stars, everybody is doing good. Everybody is at home and taking good care of themselves. We do exchange a lot of messages and video calls and calls. हम लोग हमेशा एक दूसरे के टच में रहते हैं. CID की वो स्पेशल बात है. Oh, we also want CID to be back. I am not out. I am sitting on my terrace, so I have the access to my terrace, to my building, as I'm very fond of gardening and I do a little bit of gardening here. So I come and work out here and then go back to my house again. Then I come here and go back to my house. CID तो नहीं, but CIF you can definitely expect. CID, we are still working on something for CID, which will, I don't want to leak it out, and we'll see how things are. Just wish us all the best. Shivaji sir will be there. So we were writing a new script for CIF. I hope he is also there in that. Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much. No, I'm not married. Anam. Okay. Hi, Anam. So, तो आप लोग अभी कुछ जवाब दीजिए. तो आप लोग दिन भर क्या करते हैं? अगर आप घर में, आप लोग क्या करते हैं? नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं, अमेजॉन देखते हैं, क्या करते हैं? क्लीन द हाउस. आप लोग भी कुछ शेयर कीजिए. आप लोग हमसे ही पूछते रहेंगे, आप नहीं बताएंगे. हाय, आई एम गुड. दीप्ति, थैंक यू सो मच. यू बीन वेरी स्वीट. Oh, from Italy. Hi, how are you? How are things there right now? Yes, Aman, how are you doing? Where are you? Prathamesh. Hi Prathamesh. Are you happy now? Oh yeah, CID. Watching CID is so nostalgic because I am so attached to the show, as in because I was also playing a cop for a very very long time, and then I'm very very attached to the show because when I was a kid I used to watch CID, and then working in that same show is a blessing. Thank you, Prathamesh. Thank you so much, Uday. जरूर वर्कआउट कीजिए. Oh, Aman, you want to come back and stay here? Yeah. Please come. How are things with you? Hi, Rohan sir. How are you? Oh, I will definitely convey to Daya sir that everybody loves him and misses him. I hope I get a video from Daya sir where he's talking to his fans. I hope I get it. And of course Aditya sir also. No, yeah, I do look like Shraddha Kapoor. Okay. I don't know, that's a compliment. Please take care, Rohan sir. I'll call you very very soon. I'll call you tomorrow or something. Whenever you're free, I'll drop in a message and I'll call you. Oh, you're watching CID episodes during these days. That's nice. My address? Oh my god. Hi. Hi, Janvi. How are you? Free time में मिलते हैं उसमें story writing. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, sir. Definitely. You too. Stay safe. Situation in Mumbai is situation in Mumbai is a little people are disciplined now and they are home and everybody is looking after themselves. So the only issue in this is, जैसे हम सब जानते हैं कि अगर एक को भी घर में प्रॉब्लम होती तो पूरे घर को प्रॉब्लम होती. तो हम लोग सब घर में रहें, उसी में अच्छा ही है. मौसम तो प्यारा है बिकॉज हम लोग सब घर में हैं. तो जब सब घर में रहेंगे तो फिर डेफिनेटली पोल्यूशन कम होगा और मौसम अच्छा होगा. आप लोग को नहीं लगता है कि नेचर को हमसे इतना बड़ा ब्रेक मिला है? हम लोगों से, हम लोग जो बाहर जाते हैं, बाहर निकलते रहते हैं, इतने सारे लोग, इतना बड़ा पॉपुलेशन, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड हम लोग निकलते हैं. तो आपको नहीं लगता है कि नेचर को भी हमसे थोड़ा ब्रेक मिला है? और ऐसा ब्रेक, मतलब ये जो एपिडेमिक का ब्रेक तो नहीं होना चाहिए था, बट ऐसा ब्रेक तो जरूरी है नेचर के लिए ना. कितना फ्यूल बचा है. My favorite character in CID. So favorite character is, I loved shooting with Shraddha, Janvi, my girl gang. I love them and I miss them so much. And I also love Bro Ajay Nagarat, who played Pankaj, and and Freddy sir, of course. So Freddy sir is a kid at heart. Okay, he has very good sense of one-liners. और बहुत अच्छे से आपको एंटरटेन करते हैं वो ऑफ स्क्रीन. हाय अलीना. So I've been waiting to come online on live for like how many days now. I thought this is the time we should spend, we should start talking and ज़रूरी है. Yeah. Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you so much. So I am when I want to come live, I can just come like that, and हम लोग सब इनफैक्ट CID में we are less bothered about the makeup, we are less bothered about how do we look and what earrings to wear and how do we dress up. So this is how I stay at home and this is how I have come live. like totally natural. क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा 25-30 डेज शूट करते थे, तो जब भी मौका मिलता था हम लोग मेकअप उतार के चिल करते थे. वी यूज्ड टू लेट आवर स्किन ब्रीथ, स्पेशली गर्ल्स, जैसे मैं, जानवी, श्रद्धा. जानवी ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू शूट अ लॉट, तो जब भी उसको मौका मिलता था शी यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ हर स्किन, गेट हाइड्रेटेड. और सो इट्स नाइस टू जस्ट लुक द वे यू आर एंड टॉक टू पीपल हु लव यू. Rooprekha, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So my smile looks nice because of the dimple, because it is I am blessed to have dimples and because my father has it. So वहाँ से तो ज़्यादा effort नहीं लगता है dimple होता है, तो you know it, okay, it looks nice. Daya sir should come on Instagram. Oh my God. I know actually even Aditya sir should come on Instagram and but I've tried to convince them. So the only thing I can do is I can handle their Instagram IDs and both of them, Abhijit sir and Daya sir. Say my name, Joseph. Hi Joseph. Daily post stories. Daily कैसे stories को post करूँ? I will try. I will definitely try. Too pony, I know, even I like it. I will try to tie it up. My cute dimple secret goes to my family, my dad. He has dimples. My family is good, Dipti. Please take care of your family. Yeah, I love having healthy food. I love having, oh my God, check out the parrots. So yeah, see, you can hear them? बहुत सारे हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God, 9, 10 parrots. इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर आती हूँ. तो जब शूट नहीं भी होता है तब भी मैं यहाँ पर आके बैठ जाती हूँ, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Umar Farooq, no, I am not Umar Farooq. I am not ignoring your messages. How do I spend my time? I read something. I watch a little bit of television, like somewhere on Netflix. मुझ में पेशेंस नहीं है 3 घंटा बैठ के कोई फिल्म को देखूं. एक फिल्म देख लूंगी 2 दिन में I'll be happy. सीरीज के 4 एपिसोड देख लूंगी 4 दिन में I'll be happy. I'm not somebody who will binge watch because I don't have the patience to sit. Yes, you can ask me one question. No, they are not my parrots. ये ऐसे यहाँ पर कभी ये आजकल थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ गया. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे 5-7 पैरेट्स आते ही हैं, लेकिन अभी जैसे पोल्यूशन नहीं है तो बहुत सारे आके बोलने लग जाते हैं. We also want CID back. There are a lot of films on Netflix. Depends what kind of films you like. Thriller, suspense, comedy, horror, whatever. Thank you. Yeah, there are a lot of parrots. Parrots, they have a sweet voice. Please say hi, ma'am. Hi, Ankit. Oh, my latest movie is so right now I'm watching Maska on Netflix. I started it, तो मैंने बंद कर दिया. I'll finish it today. Hi Mohit, how are you? You love CID? Oh my God. So I'm spending a lot of time. So I get up in the morning. I do my घर का काम थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ. So I do major घर का काम, and then I sit. Then I chill. Then I read something. I watch some videos. I watch a film, start a film, then leave it आधा. And then 4 o'clock is 4:30 मेरा अलार्म बज जाता है for workout. Okay, अलार्म नहीं रखती हूँ, मतलब मेरा ऐसा I start working out. I start getting dressed for my workout, and then I finish it around 6. That's why I told you कि नहीं मैं 6:30 आऊँगी. After this lockdown, I'll start working on something new which is coming up. You all tell Sony to telecast CID. Thank you so much, Pranit. CID got closed because कुछ नया start होगा ना फिर. How did you all like CIF? What is the latest on CIF? How do you all like CIF? You all like it? Jigar, hi Jigar. I will convey your all your regards to there, Sir Abhijit sir. So you all have to tell me two questions you all have to answer. How did you all like CIF? Second is, how do you all spend your time in lockdown? And what are your efforts? दूसरे question का continuation है. What are your efforts that you're doing to control this epidemic? As in, are you all making calls? आप लोग अपने दोस्तों को call करके घर में रहने को बोल रहे हैं. And what do you do? How do you spend your time in the lockdown? And how did you all like CIF? ये आप लोग को मुझे बताना है. आप लोग हमेशा मुझसे सवाल पूछते हो, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछती हूँ. And of course, I'll convey all your regards to the Sir Abhijit sir, Shivaji sir, everybody, Janvi. CIF, so we shot a few episodes and it went on hold. We'll again come back on CIF. And also, you all will soon see me on screen. Like sab khatam ho jaye. I was shooting for a new project, so we'll again start shooting and then it will be on air. And you all have to tell me how often do you all want me to come live. ये आप मुझे बताइए, because I try posting, but then coming live I thought नहीं, मतलब पता नहीं होता है मुझे कब जाना है. So you all have to tell me when do you all want me to come live. What do you all like about CIF and how are you all spending time during this lockdown? Okay, and what are you doing? As in, how do you all feel? How do you all spend time during lockdown? Before sleeping, you see CID. Story was going at the shut the show. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Meenakshi is also, yeah. Meenakshi is very different from Purvi. Every day. What do you do, Mohit, every day? Workout. Deepak, hi Deepak. Hi Shweta. Can we meet? You're so busy. Every day how can I come live? आप मुझे बताइए, जैसे 15 days में एक बार है या month में एक बार है. So CIF is also special to my heart. CID is very, very special to my heart because वहाँ पे we had a huge family, you know. CID is not just about actors. CID is about so many people associated with it. The sport, the technicians, everybody was so close. And because कोई भी चीज़ 20-21 साल तक जब चलती है तो आप लोग एक स्पेशल बॉन्ड डेवलप कर लेते हैं ना. Shweta, I'm also your big fan and I'm not busy. You're busy. Chalo, we'll meet, okay? Very soon, Shweta. So, I think things are pretty normal in the country. I mean, not normal in the world, as in things are, India is doing good compared to the population, and people thought कि नहीं हम लोग control नहीं कर पाएंगे. I'm very happy with the way things are shaping up. और hopefully, after 14th April, people will थोड़ा relief होगा. No, I'm not busy. I'm talking to you all. Let's cheat, Shweta. Even I want to cheat. So ऐसे टाइम पे people who are working out and they have diet food, they crave for burgers and pizzas, which is weird, and pani puris, which is like totally weird. तो हाँ, थोड़ी मुझे कुकिंग आती है, ऑफ कोर्स आती है, एंड और ऐसे टाइम पे ऐसा हो जाता है. तो ये जो फिटनेस फ्रीक होते हैं ना, इनका कुछ वियर्ड शौक होता है. जब उनको नहीं मिलता उनको उसकी क्रेविंग होती है, और जब उनको मिल जाता है तो उनको लगता है नहीं यार, अब तो मैं डाइट पे हूँ, अब मैं नहीं खाऊंगी. मैं नहीं निकलूंगी बाहर. आप भी मत निकलिए मोहम्मद फैजान प्लीज. आई मिस CID ऑलवेज. नहीं, मेरी शादी नहीं हुई, या मतलब आई डोंट मिस पानी पूरी एज इन वी आई लाइक टू ईट ऑल दिस. ओ नहीं आती है मुझे. श्वेता, we spend 9 hours work from home. I know that's good. You are working. That's very nice. तुमको मैं बना के खिलाती हूँ वेज पुलाव. My mom dad is not there. I'm enjoying with my brothers, playing cards online. Okay, online Ludo and all. Very nice. ठीक है. So I think it's my time to say goodbye and no शादी वादी का सवाल, no personal questions. सबको बना के खिलाएंगे मोहित. My hobbies excluding workout. वर्कआउट में 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं. डाइट फॉलो करते करते कितना टाइम लग जाता है. अब एक मील खाने के बाद दूसरी मील का सोचना पड़ता है आप क्या खाना. अच्छा कितने बजे. ओके, प्लीज प्रे एंड I know we all know things will be normal and take care. और मैं जल्दी लाइव आऊंगी. हाय बेबी, हाय श्रद्धा, हाउ आर यू. My favorite food is continental. Okay, I can live on continental food. I will come soon with CIF team. So whenever I shoot with CIF team or CID team, I will definitely get them on live. श्रद्धा मैम से तो आपने कल बात की है. Cute bro, तू मस्त है श्रद्धा. मस्त रह तू. Okay then, bye bye. You all take care and thank you so much for loving all of us so much, for loving CID so much, and keep praying. Things will be alright. Things will get normal. Thank you so much. Bye bye.